Imagine you are playing football and there is no foul, no penalty or any other rule. Then playing football will become an ugly experience instead of an enjoyable experience. Any game, whether it is football or cricket, is so much fun to play because of its rules. Similarly, our life is also like a game. Every day there is competition, winning and losing. So to make the game of life an enjoyable activity, there have to be some rules. And today in this video, I am going to share with you those rules from the book 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson, who is a clinical psychologist and a very well-known author. Smart idea number 1. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. Tell me, which body posture do you find more attractive? Whether it is an interview or a date, a good body posture can help boost your impression many times. Also, if you notice carefully, our body posture changes automatically according to the condition of our mind. When we feel energetic and confident, we expand our body posture. Similarly, when we feel scared or tired, we contract our body posture. The interesting fact is that as our body posture changes automatically according to the condition of our mind, similarly, by forcefully changing our body posture, we can also automatically change our mental state. It is now scientifically proven that when we hold a confident body posture for some time, then the level of serotonin, which is called the happy chemical, increases in our brain, and the level of norepinephrine, which is called the stress chemical, decreases in our brain. If you want, you can experiment with yourself right now. Stand up straight with your shoulders back and notice if you start to feel any better or not. Smart idea number 2. Treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. Many fathers regularly smoke, but they cannot accept it if their son or daughter starts to smoke. Why? Because they know about the harmful effects of smoking on our body. After the breakup, we advise our best friend to forget the past and move on in life. But after our breakup, we completely break down. We have to stop making this mistake. We should take care of ourselves just as we take care of our loved ones. Smart idea number 3. Make friends with people who want the best for you. In our childhood, the toys our friends had, we also wanted to have those toys. After finishing school, we choose our career looking at what our friends are choosing as their career. And then we admit our kids to school or college looking at where our friends are admitting their kids. If anyone influences us similar to our parents or maybe more than them, then that is our friends. So before you make friends, make sure to choose carefully. Smart idea number 4. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. Maybe in this year's examination, you got C, but your friend got A. Now if you start to compare yourself with your friend, then you will feel like a failure. But if you zoom out a little bit and take into consideration not just your exam score, but every other aspect of life, then maybe you will notice that due to studying regularly for the whole day long in this year, your friend's weight has been increased by 5 kg from the previous year. Also, his eyeglasses power has increased. On the other hand, due to playing football regularly this year, your weight has been decreased by 5 kg from the previous year. And also you have become more fit and healthy both physically and mentally. That is why it is meaningless to compare yourself with someone else today. Because the life situations of someone else can never be the same with your life situations. So if you must have to compare, then compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. Smart idea number 5. Do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. The rude behavior of your child, like crying or screaming if they don't get what they want instantly, if you allow this kind of behavior and don't try to change them by scolding them with love in their childhood, then becoming an adult, when they will go out into the society and will do the same behavior with others, then others will not accept those behaviors. So then your child may have to face a difficult time. So to teach the children which behavior is acceptable in society and which behavior is unacceptable is one of the most important responsibilities of the parents. Smart idea number 6. Set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. The government should help poor people. Okay, but shouldn't you also exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? So if we keep pointing out the mistakes of each other, it will continue endlessly. That will make the situation even more bitter than making it any better. Because when someone points out your mistakes, do you feel that, yes, he is right, I must correct it from today? Or do you start to feel defensive and start using your brain to point out the mistakes of the other person? So if you want to change something in this world, start by changing yourself first. So today we have learned these 6 rules from this video. If you want, you can pause the video and take a screenshot. Also, if you want, you can buy this book 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson by following the link given below in the description. Thanks for watching. More wisdom, more solution, better life.